Hey, my name's Sarah. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing a package from Darn Good Yarn. If you don't know who Darn Good Yarn is, they're a yarn company. But really cool is that they make sustainable yarns. They have ethical business practices and employment practices, and I think their products are really good quality. I don't quite remember what I ordered, so we are going to find out together. Okay, so the first thing, let's see what's in this box. It's my yarn ball winder. Turn skeins into cakes. I actually know exactly what this is. If you don't know what a yarn ball winder is, it looks something like this. And then you can turn the crank. Well, you put this on your tabletop, and then you turn the crank, and you make a ball of yarn. Awesome. I should have also gotten a yarn swift with my order. Now it's coming back to me. I'm remembering I did order a yarn swift because I don't have one yet. Very cool. Also, table clamp there. Got the Darn Good Yarn logo. It smells like fresh wood. So this is a yarn swift, and I will have to learn how it works. But I think okay, I think I'll figure it. Oh, here we go. Okay. I think that tightens on there. I think this screws into here. And this will clamp onto my tabletop. And then you can pull this out here and put your yarn on here, and then you can make like a hank of yarn. Okay, I got some recycled chiffon, reclaimed chiffon ribbon yarn. Wow. I didn't know this was going to be all different colors, but I guess that makes sense since it's reclaimed. Very thick pieces. Definitely not like a sock weight or anything like that. Let's see what else it says. Fair trade reclaimed chiffon waist ribbon. 80 plus yards, about 100 grams in each one. We can take a look at one of these. Wow, this is beautiful. So each piece is going to be small like this. It's like if you were to take a t-shirt and make your t-shirt into a ball of yarn. That would be what this is. So that it is fraying in some places, but that's just how this yarn is. So I could see you making handbags or baskets or scarves, things like that. Take a look at each of the colors here. If I can hold them all. We've got blues and oranges, pinks, some like mauve, I think that's the color, and light blue. And then we've got 5 more here. Just beautiful colors. So I don't think that you can actually pick out any of these colors since everything is recycled and reclaimed. Then it's what you get, which is honestly really cool and fantastic. Then we've got these. Wow, look at that. Oh, incredible. So this is premium silk sari hand spun yarn. And so this is a gauge 2, so a fine yarn. I'd say it measures in between a fine yarn and like a 3 weight, just because it is hand spun, so you get that difference in texture. So about 75 yards each, 100% silk, recycled silk here. So I got those. I think I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those as well. Really cool. They are all the same sort of color pattern, but they do have different hues in there depending on, you know, which part of the ribbon they were working with. Very, very cool. And then I got another mystery box. So that's all that's in my first box here. And now we get to open a second box. Oh, wow. Okay, this is lace weight silk yarn in the color Surge. And it is a fingering lace weight. There's 300 yards in each of these here. Wonderful colors. I actually don't know how many there are in this box. So 4, 5, 6, 7. It smells really good. Like if you were to open a new book and smell it, that's what this yarn smells like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I got 24 hanks of that. How many was in each one? 300 yards. 700 and something. Is that how many? This isn't all of them. I have more around me. That's a lot. That's a lot of yarn. A very thin fingering lace yarn. Wow, beautiful, fantastic. I think my favorite one's gonna be this one, this hand spun silk. But wow, this one is just really cool as well. All the different colors and patterns that come into here. Oh goodness. All right, I'll pick up one of each. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. All right, I will need to come up with some projects for all of this stuff. And I need to figure out how to use this Swift. Is that what it's called? The Swift? And the yarn ball winder, because that also came with my order. I think the Swift was actually just an add-on of like $10 or $15 to the shipment of the fingering weight yarn. And then I did purchase this separately. I don't quite remember how much that was. Actually, it was in a bundle as well. Yep. It was in a bundle. No, it was just on its own. Yarn ball winder. Very cool. Very cool. Well, that's all the yarn I got today. I'm excited to get started with this and show you more about how I work each of these up into something special. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing this video. Also, this hat, right? Cute. Cute. Yeah, I made it the other day. Super warm. I don't have anything else to say, so I don't really know how to wrap up a video, but thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.